Future, the animal, I'm back. I wanna motherfucking shank you. Tell you give up your chain nicely and then thank you. Thank you. I can care less about what they do. It's all about MID, nigga, the whole crew. The whole crew. Calm down, nigga, and keep it cool. And I don't mean literally when I say I'ma eat your food. Eat your food. That mean a slash and a slash, nigga. Tell me what that add up to. You do the math, nigga. Math, nigga. That's $1.50 on each side. Carry guns with extended clips, nigga, on each side. Each side. Stick my dick right up in each slide, then slide out and leave them bitches with me on their mind. My time is now, I stay on the grind. These haters, groupies waving high, I'm waving a 9. I had no choice but to sell that crack. No jobs on deck, so fuck it, I'ma flip that pack. Flip that pack. I pull that trigger and blam you. You shoot in the air, you treat your guns like Roman candles. Listen, nigga, I be strapped. Just know I got a long 50 clip with me. It can get empty real quick. You bitch niggas know y'all don't wanna come after me, cause I'm bout it, my nigga, just like Master P. I'm about to make it hot, you gon' see a lot of cops. I'm unorthodox, I'll take off the top, just like a brand new whip out the parking lot. I'm in a brand new whip, straight out the parking lot. Bitches surround my shit when I'm in my parking spot. I'm like, get off my dick, then I grab my cock. Gun on safety in the clip full. A nigga hungry and my stomach is growling like a pit bull. Blade in my hand, homie bout to get his food ate. He got me mad, so I left him with a smiley face. Got soldiers with felonies, no misdemeanors. I'm a rapper, but I'm street. I am not a singer. I'm a boss and niggas to put some things up in you. Man, you could lose your life if I snap my fingers. Snap my fingers.
Happy birthday to you.